Have you heard about the amazing health benefits of apple cider vinegar? By the end of this video, you should be convinced into drinking it daily. What is this magic drink? It's been used for various household and cooking purposes for centuries. It's been used for health problems and as an ancient folk remedy. It's been in front of your eyes all this time, but you've probably ignored it. It's apple cider vinegar. When apple cider gets exposed to yeast, the sugar gets fermented into alcohol. Adding bacteria to the solution ferments the alcohol even further and turns it into acetic acid, which is vinegar's main active compound. Apple cider vinegar doesn't contain many vitamins or minerals, although it has trace amounts of potassium. If it's an organic, unfiltered produce, then it also contains mother, which are strands of proteins, enzymes, and antioxidants.
This drink, I like it.
Now you might ask, what's the big deal? Drinking apple cider vinegar has a ton of health benefits. So many that you should consider drinking it daily. Apple cider vinegar helps to maintain healthy alkaline pH levels. Most people are more acidic than alkaline because of inflammation, bad diet, alcohol, and other environmental toxins. A lot of physiological functions in the body occur only at a certain level of acidity or alkalinity, and too high levels of acidity lead to lack of energy. Although apple cider vinegar is acidic, it actually becomes alkaline after you consume it. Apple cider vinegar helps to kill pathogens and bad bacteria. Vinegar is most commonly used as a food preservative thanks to its ability to inhibit bacterial and fungal overgrowth, like E. coli. It can also eliminate candida in your body. Candida is a bacterial infection that causes poor memory, brain fog, depression, sugar cravings, and headaches. Eating too many processed carbs or sugar can lead to candida overgrowth and yeast infections. ACV functions like a prebiotic for the healthy gut bacteria that helps them grow whilst eliminating the bad ones. Because of the same reasons, apple cider vinegar is very good for digestion and can reduce bloating, inflammation, gas, and even heartburn. And what's more, apple cider vinegar is great for weight loss. It lowers blood sugar levels, reduces insulin, and thus makes you burn more fat. This is beneficial not only for people who are overweight or diabetic, but for everyone. Constantly elevated levels of insulin and blood sugar will lead to insulin resistance and many other diseases. There are many studies showing that vinegar increases insulin sensitivity and significantly lowers blood sugar responses during meals. Consuming vinegar with a high-carb meal increases satiety, and in some studies, people eat 200 to 275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. In general, there are so many benefits to apple cider vinegar. Lowers blood pressure, improved heart health, reduced risk of heart disease, detoxifies the liver, lowers cholesterol, whitens your teeth, removes bad breath, boosts your energy, helps to prevent osteoporosis, slows down aging, and fights against free radical damage. What's even more, vinegar may help to kill cancer cells and shrink off tumors. It's not enough to cure all of your diseases, but drinking apple cider vinegar on a healthy diet has a ton of benefits.
It was delicious. I want another.
As the saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. But it also applies that what makes a poison deadly is the dosage. Apple cider vinegar is completely safe and it has no significant side effects if you consume it normally. Here are a few ways you can add apple cider vinegar to your diet. You can add it to salads as dressing or use it while cooking, or even when you make your own homemade mayonnaise or something. Drinking apple cider vinegar as a beverage is very convenient and even tasty. 1 to 2 teaspoons to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, mixed in a glass of hot water and with a half of lemon squeezed into the water. Another option are tablets or pills, but you have to look at the ingredients list and see how much actual apple cider vinegar there is. If you use these kinds of products for health purposes, then you have to pay close attention to the origin of the product. You know, what's inside, where it comes from, and how it's manufactured. That's why it's best to stick to organic and unfiltered apple cider vinegar that has the mother in it. The most popular brand in the United States is Bragg's, but there are many out there in all parts of the world. So consume it as you may. And drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can also improve the quality of your sleep. That's a bonus. So knock yourself out. I highly recommend you to add it to your diet, but it doesn't matter how many of these health supplements or empowering products you consume if you still continue doing the bad stuff. That's why it's important to first get rid of the downside before trying to implement new things. Stop eating the things that make you weaker and start eating the things that make you stronger, more healthier, and more energized. Okay, thanks for watching. Click the like, subscribe, notification bell as well for more similar content. My name is Siim. Stay alkaline, stay empowered.
Another.